First, applying foundation with this Natural Finish Foundation Drop by Jogh Beauty. This foundation is pretty watery when it comes out the dropper, so just make sure to blend or spread the foundation out pretty quickly once you put it on, otherwise it's just gonna get really messy. Next, I'm using this EGLIPS eyebrow pencil. This is called Natural Auto Eyebrow, and I'm just using the shade Dark Brown. Please don't mind my brows. I know that my hair is kind of just all over the place, but hopefully that doesn't bother you too much. For eyeshadow, I have this Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. The first shade I'm going to use is Cumin Get It, and it's a nice warm brown shade. With my finger, I just like to rub the shade all over my lid, and then I like to blend it out with a brush. Next, with the same palette, I'm going to be taking the color Quicksand, which is kind of a dusty rose muted pink color, and with my finger again, I just like to apply this all over my lid and then blend it out again with the brush. I think the two colors combined give a really nice warm pink color. Then I like to apply the color on my bottom lash line. Since this is a summer to fall makeup look, I want to brighten up my eyes a little bit, so I'm using Sahara Stunna, which is a pink shimmer color. Now I'm taking this really dark brown called Hana, and I'm just using this shadow as kind of like an eyeliner and just making my eyes look a little darker. For lashes, I just quickly applied my Kiss lashes in the style Lily. So moving on to blush, I'm using the Tarte blush in Achiote. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I do love the bright yet muted pink color of this blush. It's perfect for the summer to fall transition, I think. Now I'm going to be using the Jogh Beauty Blush and Bronzer Palette. There is a highlighter built into this, which is what I'm using, and I really like it. I don't really like to use this for blush or bronzer, though. It's not very good. Next, I'm going to be using this NYX Bronzer and Highlight Kit. I'm just going to take the bronzer and put it on my jawline and under my chin, and I'm going to contour my nose a little bit just to slim down my face a bit. For lips, I have this Bite Beauty French Press Lip Gloss in Dirty Chai, which is a nice dusty rose pink color, and when I put it on my lips, it does come off a lot darker, which I like, and I thought would be great for kind of a more fall look. Alright, so we are done. I hope that you guys like this makeup look. I'm so excited for fall because it's the start of everything being really festive and cozy, so I hope you guys are excited too. Anyways, I will see you next time. Bye!